Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl T and you're watching T Cooks with FLAVE. If it is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to the fun, welcome to the food, welcome to the vibes. Today's a special day because look where I am. We're not cooking today, we're delivering a baby. Can you guess whose baby? It's my baby. Come along to find out, no? Let's go. Thank you. Whoop.
Elevator straight ahead. Second floor, you'll check in with security.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day. All right, so I got my thing, my tag. Now we're heading to the elevator. I'm on my way to go find the Virgos. I'm excited. This is my second rodeo with them. This time is a little bit more calm because the first time Bliz's water broke, and then now this time it's more scheduled. We're just excited. Heading to labor and delivery. So maybe the next time I see you, I'll be an auntie again. Better she than me. Can't go again, guys. Let's go.
They say, what's going on?
You don't have no wife again.
Well, it seems look cute.
Oh, Lord. Hi guys, it's a brand new day. I'm in anti-T mode still. Just not too long leave the hospital, but I'm about to go meet up with my girlies. We're gonna have some lunch and I'm late. So come along with me. We're going to a Korean barbecue spot that I've been hearing about. So come along. We're going for some lunch. I hope you guys are hungry. I am very late because Dania is already there and Joanna is on her way there. So yeah, let's go. All right, I'm here. The girls are already at the restaurant. I had a Zoom call for the boat show coming up that I had to stay behind and finish that call, so I'm super late. Oh, well, better late than never, right? Yeah, I don't know if I'm ever late anyways. The only time I'm not late is when I'm catching a flight. I want to do order for this. Oh, I thought I was in the wrong place.
Oh, wait, 7.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for just you, right?
Yes. Hi.
The beans for 1
Okay.
Is it first time here?
At this location, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
first time here. All right, guys. So we're gonna be cooking our food right here. Leave it to Joanna to find them place if carry will come. So this is a Korean barbecue house.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, ma'am.
We're all gonna be virgins today. This is a rice, it's a fried rice cake.
Then there's a what the hell is that? If we're going to pretend like a girl, I'm not care about. Oh no.
So our culture. No, it's because you're not used to.
Watch your ching chang over this, so now. Go feed Joanna. I don't know how to use it. I try all the time. Ooh. What is supposed to be?
Stir fried. Like fried dumpling. Like a fried dumpling. When bread in the back, it's a rice cake, but it's fried. It's a fried dumpling, refried dumpling. Next, try the glass.
It tastes like rubber.
It's not working out, but I can't eat that. It's not a pick up.
Trouble. It's nice.
Tomatoes are different flavor. And nice, right?
We'll try this one.
So raw food. Raw food that we're gonna cook right here.
So we're gonna try it. This is a good start ribs. With me, with the portion size over here. It's a good thing. The fat look good to be fat man. The fat stickers in here, man.
So these ladies have me out shopping in store where I can't buy nothing. So I'll just stand here and look cute, okay? This store is not for fat people. No, sir. These jeans, no big body bins. Tesla. Because none of these pants stretch, so your girl can't fit none of these at all.
We just got done with lunch. Then Daniel and Joanna both convinced me to go to the Galleria Mall. I haven't been to this mall in like years. Years on top of years. It's in Fort Lauderdale. And guess who's gonna be stuck in traffic going home? Me. So, yeah. But it was good. Daniel is traveling, so she wanted to get some stuff. I should be traveling, seeing that my birthday is coming up, but I chose to stay here and work instead because your girl needs her coins. So I will travel maybe next month, but I got bills to pay, so I was not about to be in Jamaica partying when I have 10 bookings this month. No. Priorities. It's a part of growing up where I decided to choose profit over partying this time. I can always go to Jamaica and I can always go and celebrate later. So yeah. But anyways, it was good hanging out with the girls, catching up. Guys, I'm gonna drive on focus because I know that there's a lot of traffic that I'm gonna encounter heading home right now because of the time of day. So the Korean barbecue though, that was cool. We cooked the food basically in front, like at our table, which I thought was pretty cool. I enjoyed it. It was great. That was cool. That was Joanna's recommendation. She's been on me about, let's go to this Korean barbecue place, and I'm like, yeah man, we'll go. But she finally had an off day in the week today, and that's what we decided on doing. So that was fun catching up with them. All right, anyway guys, let me focus because this is not on my side of town. I wanna know me love loss. So be right back. Hi. You got a boyfriend? You look nice in that
that truck, honey. Okay. I'm gonna give you my number, okay? You can call me. Let me cut this camera off because I don't want these people having my number. Love you too. You too, honey. The shelf them empty.
You come back for tea. You come back for your festival.
I text her, I'm like, I'm almost there. She's like, I'm turning around right now.
Yes, boss. All the way from Coral Springs. Yeah. And all the way from Connecticut. I want to see what's going on.
What is going on here?
Re-up. I want to see the re-up. I want to see the smiles. I want to see what's going on. You know what I mean?
No, I was supposed to come over here yesterday.
More
I was
Rileys.
supposed to come over here yesterday, but I didn't get to come. Yeah. What? Wait, I was supposed to go here.
Restocking.
No, yesterday I had so much stuff going on yesterday. And you know, I'm not far from here, but it was just like super busy. Oh, okay. So by the time I checked out,
Let me say I get?
4.
I get 4 of them?
I said you'll probably get 5.
That's it.
Wow, look at this salad. I'll take one.
Them have the package ranch.
Thank you.
Flavors out of this world. We're there with Riley's Festival.
That is it. That is it.
Tea Cooks with Flames. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. That is the most important thing. Tell a friend, to tell more friends. To subscribe to the Tea Cooks with Flames channel. Alright?
Right there.
Subscribe now.
Right there. It has been a long day. I did not make it to Miami like I wanted. I'm gonna go tomorrow. I did not make it to the post office. I just had some other stuff to do, so I'm gonna be mailing off those packages tomorrow. And I'm going to do my measurements tomorrow. Today just got away from me. Totally things that I was supposed to do that I did not get to do. So if you ordered your package and you're waiting for it, it's coming. Okay, my apologies. Just remember, guys, October 26th, which is a few days away. Make sure that you guys come out and support. Come and hang out with me and Remain Virgo, as we're gonna be out there having some fun. Address will be in the description box below, so make sure that you guys click that so you can see the address. It starts at 3 p.m. Come out, eat some food, drink some soup, just have a good time, you know what I mean? So I look forward to seeing you guys, and per usual, when the Simon come pump off my face or give me a hug, like, yes, you're my friends. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for all your comments, thank you for all the good vibes. Just thank you. And out to all the Virgo Nation that's over here that keep on bigging me up, thank you. All right, thank you guys so much. I see a lot of persons say that they want a friend like T. I wish I have a friend like T. It takes a good friend to have a good friend. Always remember that. So they're also very good friends to me. And anyone else that I have in my life that I consider a friend, just know that I go hard for my friends. And once you prove your loyalty to me and you show me who you are, and I know say you have my back here is 10 times more. That's just me. That's always been me. I go hard for my friends. I go hard for the people that I love. So, and I don't see that there's no other way to go besides just going hard for the people that you love and done. Like, life is short, you know? Why not make it memorable? Why not put a smile on someone's face? That's just how I feel about that. So always remember, it takes a good person and it takes a good friend to be a good friend. Zin? Yes. Because what you put out there is what you will get back in return. So I'll leave you guys with that. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.